there's a dog. Hello, tis I again, Stu Simpson from A Mouthful of Stew, and I've been to Greg's to get a vegan sausage roll because they're a big thing at the minute, and you know what? Couldn't get one. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to make one. Would you like to try with me? It's going to be dead easy, dead quick, and cheap and easy. Okay, so what you're going to need here is a rolling pin, some kitchen grease-proof baking paper, spoon, some just roll pastry, or you could make the pastry yourself if you want to, but this is aimed for students who can't be bothered, who are very busy, but rough puff pastry is quite easy to do, as I keep getting told by my boyfriend. But we're going for the just roll because we're busy, and we've been to Greg's and they haven't got any vegan sausage rolls, and this way we'll have lots of them for ourselves and we can freeze them and put them in the freezer later on. But for now we're going to get the rough puff pastry, the just roll rough puff pastry, and cut some, this is just basically so it doesn't stick. Dust your bottom. We have the just roll, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to just roll it. It's been sat there for about 2 hours. It was frozen, it is no longer frozen. Because I did try one of the vegan sausage rolls last week when they first came out, and I must admit, as a meat eater, it was okay. I would give it a 7.5. I think for any vegetarian out there, and especially for any vegan out there, I think they'd actually really like it. But I guess it's £1 for a sausage roll. It's a bit more expensive than the normal sausage roll, but it's alright. It's alright. If we just go down the middle here. I'm squishing a bit just to kind of just to make it a little bit softer really. I have pre-cooked these because they were frozen. So what I'm going to do is just cut it to shape and make it a little bit thinner on the edges, so when it comes together they should be the same thickness. So just simple as, actually maybe it's too much there, so I'm going to just trim it a bit and get some, I'm using rice milk. Oh, your sausages come undone. Not the first time. Should have said to the vicar or something like that. So you could use short crust if you want to, but I'm going to go for a big fluffy finish here. So I'm just brushing the ends so they'll stick together. And crimp your edges if you wish. So we're going to do a couple more with the different sausages, just to compare and contrast flavours. Can you remember chia pets? It was a thing a while ago. The Lincolnshire style sausages. I tried one earlier, it was alright, it wasn't too bad. So I'm just going to cut that to size again. And I don't have that much experience making sausage rolls, as you can probably tell. So, but we're learning as we go. Don't be afraid in the kitchen. But if I am, then you should be. I'm just not wanting it to fall apart, basically, and so far, for some reason, it's not playing. I blame Greg's for this. So I like doing fancy food normally, I say. And this is basically just quick takeaway. Whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do slightly differently with this one, yes, I have trimmed the edges. So I know which one this is. This is the Lincolnshire one. I'm going to actually baste this with a little bit of brown sauce. So hopefully that'll be a little bit more, that'll have a bit of a tart, slightly sweet flavour to it. There's that one. And last but not least, we're going for the sausage I made earlier, or as Neil likes to call it, the turd I made earlier. Actually, I'm going to break it up a little bit and see if this makes any difference. Smash it up. So that's got loads of things like garlic and rosemary and herbs and soya protein and weird things. It cost me an awful lot of money to make this one. But hopefully, well, we didn't kill anything in the making of this video. Not today anyway. Don't worry, next week we'll do steak. I'm joking. Oh, I didn't brush my edges, Neil. I didn't brush my edges. This one's a little bit bigger than the others because it's my sausage. Naughty, Stu. Naughty. Right. So can I remember what we got? With the chia, that's the... Oh, I can't remember.
That's the corn Cumberland sausage.
Corn Cumberland sausage. And the next one would be the corn vegetarian sausage. The other one's this one with the brownness on it. That is the Lincolnshire style sausage veggie deli from Holland and Barrett's, and this is my own that I made earlier from, what's it called? The Happy Pear website. So I'm just going to slightly just brush it a little bit more. Give it about 15-20 minutes in the oven. Gas mark 8. Hope for the best. Oh, I think it's 200 degrees. The correct side of the oven would be useful. So this is vegan sausage roll. Now let's see if what the dog thinks of the one which I made earlier from the Happy Pear. Well, it's edible. Is that all right?
She wants more.
So we're going to now. She says she liked that one. That was okay. Now we're going to try her with the Veggie Deli Lincolnshire style sausage. What would you give this food? So just a tiny little bit. No, she likes that one as well. And this is the corn sausage. Other than the fact that the dog's just extremely greedy, maybe these are all right. No. Yeah, she'll pretty much eat anything. So, the dog gives the vegan sausages a thumbs up. Well done, Fern. Gives a paw. Well done, good dog, well done. Oh, you're so pretty. Should we do the human taste test now? I believe this one is the
corn Cumberland sausage.
Cumberland sausage is the vegan one. Let's give it a go. Okay. Tastes like a sausage roll. Slightly burnt, but that's my fault, not to do the recipe itself. That was alright, not too bad. I did fall apart ever so slightly on the oven, as you can probably tell by the appearance. So crimp your edges tighter, people. You could use a fork if you want. What we're going to go for next, I will give that, this is the Quorn one, the Quorn vegan one, I've got the Cumberland Quorn vegan. I'd probably give that about a 6, but I'm quite a harsh judge. So we're going to go for the vegetarian Quorn sausage now. This is with the Just Roll puff pastry. That's a lot nicer. I'd say I'd probably give it about 7.5, which is also what I gave Greg's vegan sausage roll when I tried it last week. I shouldn't even talk with my mouth full, I'm terribly sorry. So what we're going to go for now is a sausage roll made from the Happy Pear people, which is the homemade sausage roll, homemade sausage, with a lot of vegan ingredients.
Stew's big sausage.
Ooh! Okay. It is the ugliest, but it's probably the tastiest of the lot so far.
You would.
I'm going to go out and eat it.
You would say that, you made it.
I did. It's true. So, the Lincolnshire sausage is from Holland and Barrett's. Also not too bad. Kind of spicy. And that's got the brown sauce on the outside as well. So I'll come back in a minute for the mixed sausage, gargantuan vegetarian sausage roll, for a bit of that. But so far so good. It tastes alright. It's not too bad. So welcome to Veganuary, everybody. You can do it too.
I tried the Lincolnshire sausage made with soya, which I give a 1. That was horrible. I hate soya. But I will try Stew's big sausage. I'll try that one next, actually.
He's not the first person to say that, but he might be the youngest. Don't look at me! Don't mine! Go away! Okay, well, I got caught eating the meat sausage roll. But to be fair, I will give it a 9, because I know that later on it's still going to give me heartburn. Thanks, Greggs.